Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get a dead bubble coral fan. First, you can find these unique pieces washed ashore on certain beaches, especially after strong ocean currents. Alternatively, consider purchasing from a specialized marine decor store or an online vendor. Always confirm the coral is completely dead and legally obtained to support responsible practices. Once you have your dead coral fan, the next step is initial cleaning. Begin by rinsing it under cool, fresh water for several minutes to dislodge any loose sand or small particles. A soft bristled brush, like an old toothbrush, works well for gently scrubbing the intricate surfaces. Pay close attention to crevices to ensure all dirt is removed. For a deeper clean and sanitization, prepare a solution of 1 part bleach to 9 parts water. Submerge the coral fan in this mixture for approximately 2 to 4 hours, depending on its condition. Afterward, rinse the coral meticulously under running water for at least 30 minutes to eliminate all bleach residue. Finally, let it air dry thoroughly for 24 to 48 hours. After the coral is completely dry, give it a final inspection for any small fragments or rough edges that might need gentle removal. If you wish to enhance its durability and appearance, a clear, matte sealant can be lightly sprayed on. Now, your stunning, naturally acquired dead bubble coral fan is ready to be a captivating addition to your home decor or collection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.